Guys, hello, hi, I'm V. I don't have time to do an introduction because I'm so excited. Okay, so today I was coming home from being out and about in town, like around uni and all that kind of stuff, and I had an email in my email address and I was like, what's this email? And it literally said I had a parcel, and I was thinking, I didn't order anything. Like, why would I have a parcel? Because I didn't order anything. Guess what it was? It's the YouTube play button. It's finally here. Like, I never thought that we would be receiving one of these bad boys, but it's here and I'm ecstatic. Like, I can't even, you guys don't understand. I know we hit 100k like a month ago, but let me tell you something. There's always one of those things that you dream of, but you think, oh, it's never gonna happen anyway, but it's a kind of a dream. This bad boy right here has been one of those dreams. I thought I'll never get one of these play buttons. I'll show you, I'll prove to you exactly how much I never ever thought I'd get one in my life. So, okay, so on my birthday, no, was it my birthday? Yeah, for my birthday last year, 2019 April, Josh got me this as a birthday gift because he knew how much I don't know, he kind of knew that I always would have wanted one of these play buttons in my like lifetime on YouTube, but I thought it would come after like 10 years or maybe like 8 years. I don't know, just years and years and years and years away. So Josh was so cute. He got me this, and this is when we were still called Miss Vase, you guys. Like, if you remember the Miss Vase days, comment down below. But he got me this play button made from like Etsy or something, and it says congrats for hitting 20k. So this was from June. He gave me this in June because he was kind of late to getting me a birthday present, but he got me this in June and it said well done for hitting 20k, and I literally cherished this because I was like, this is like the play button I'm only ever going to receive in my life. And we were on 20k for a good, I don't know, 3-4 months. Like, we were in the 20s for that long, and I was like, yep, and I was fine with it. I was like, I finally got my play button and I'm actually happy. But let me put this back in its sacred spot. So we're gonna unbox the play button together because I'm so excited. And yeah, oh, by the way, like always, my hair is from Dose of Beauty because people always ask, so I just figured instead of commenting back, I might as well just say it. So yeah, Dose of Beauty, and that's what it looks like. It's like that kind of hair, you know, the kind of hair that you like dream of. And I can tie it into a ponytail. You can glue it down basically. Sometimes I glue it, sometimes I don't, but you can glue it down, tie it into a ponytail, and you can do all sorts. But that's not what we're talking about today. Oh my god, look at me, I'm all over the place. Oh my god, how do you even, I'm just so excited. Okay, come on. Okay, they wrap these things up pretty tight, huh? I'm just, oh my god, oh my gosh, can you just open already? When I got back in, I told all the girls and they were screaming, like they were all screaming as if I didn't even know. Oh my god, my excitement right now is just ridiculous. Oh my god. And I know, like, for so many people it's not a big deal, but I'm telling you now, to be able to create a channel and to do everything that I promised myself I would do, like help other people, encourage other people, inspire, share stories, be as vulnerable as I can be, share like my truth, my journey, and be unapologetically me. I love studying, I love academia, I have ups and downs with it. Sometimes I hate being at uni, sometimes I love being at uni. I like studying, I like sharing study tips, like just all that kind of stuff. To be able to make a channel based on that kind of content and it still does well without having to like sell yourself out, that with like trends and stuff, oh, that means the world to me. If I'd gotten this by doing something that wasn't me, I don't think I'd appreciate it as much. But the fact that it's happened, like with me just being myself, I couldn't have asked for anything more. Now I'm about to open it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like I'm gonna put it on here so that you guys can see, okay? Okay, we're about to open it. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm being so dramatic. I'm being so annoying. Oh, look at it. Ooh. Oh my god. It says, can you see all this? This is what it looks like inside. And it has this official letter. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. 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 The letter says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person that is subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize this and all of your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for the rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Okay, that's the official letter, everybody. If you can see that, yes, that is officially stamped by YouTube. You guys can see it first because I can't control myself. Are you kidding me? This is so pretty. I feel like I'm gonna cry. I'm being so dramatic right now. Stop, V. It's so pretty. Are you kidding? Oh my god. It's just, you know, when you just don't think like it's gonna happen. I can't describe it. Like, I just never in a million years, never. And it's here. I just wish my dad was here to see all of this. Like, I don't want to be like that annoying person who brings up, oh my god, my parent passed away. But like, I just wish he was alive to kind of, I don't know. Okay, V, don't. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, and it's like a mirror. That's so smart, because then you can see yourself and you're the one who... Wow. So this is what it looks like. Hey! There it is, there. And there's the letter. As if, that's crazy. My mom is gonna want that ASAP. Understandably so, you know. It's basically her reward, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so I guess that is the end of the vid, because really what else is there to say? But I'm absolutely buzzing, absolutely, like, I love doing this, I love it, and I'm so grateful to you guys, because you guys are what makes it. If I was just creating content and no one was watching it, then it would still be meaningful in the sense of, like, I'm still saying what I feel, but for it to be meaningful and have an impact, people have to watch it and gain something from it. So the fact that you guys are watching, and like, I'm not compromising myself, I don't feel like I'm having to change who I am, change how I speak, do things to like go viral or whatever. Like, everything I'm doing is me, it's authentic. Even the essay crisis videos, which I know are a big reason as to why a lot of you are here, even those, if you go back to my channel from the first like day of my first year of uni, I've been doing those, you know. It's not like something I just started doing randomly, it's just that people are watching now. I don't know, it's just crazy. And I let's just calm down. I also had exciting news to share, but I just don't know if I'm overloading by just putting so much in this one video. But I'm gonna make a separate video on it anyways, But in the meantime, I'm planning on doing an Empowered by V tour, which is very exciting. Yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video on it because I don't want like to get mixed up in the comments down below, so I'll do a separate video, but just expect a video to come soon. And also please do follow me on Instagram because that's where I give a lot of my updates, so you guys tend to find things out last because Instagram gets it all first because it's a lot quicker. On YouTube you've got to film the video, edit it, put it out, and then look at the comments, whereas on Instagram I get immediate responses. So a lot of what happens on the channel is decisions made from Instagram. So if you want to know about the Empowered by V tour, head over to my Instagram now, and I've already done a post on it, but I'm going to make an official video soon when everything's kind of organised and stuff like that. But if you want a say in what's happening, then make sure you head over to my Instagram and comment on my latest picture. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Look at it. Look at it. I don't want to hear it. If anyone's got anything negative to say about me right now, I don't want to hear it. She's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go because I have like an essay to do, so see you later guys. And by the way, the day you're watching this is the day it happened. It's the 3rd of February right now, so that's the tea on that. Love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.